declare our pledge of loyalty to our school and this alumni association.
For me, this evening is particularly powerful and poignant as a graduation. You and I, we are all graduating from Pathways. But you and I will always be a part of it because we have shaped it and it has shaped us. I'd like to take this opportunity to give my deepest thanks to you parents for partnering with the school in shaping our children and for all your support for me and the school and your involvement in the years of your child's life at Pathways. And I'd like to remind you students to feel gratitude for everyone who's contributed to bring you to this point. Class of 2022, all our affection and good wishes go with you. Good luck and our blessings. I'm now very happy to be able to announce the name of the valedictorian and the salutatorian for 2022. So the valedictorian for the class of 2022 is Varsha Patata. And the salutatorian is Krish Bansal. Ladies and gentlemen, give them a big round of applause.
Graduates of the batch of 2022. Graduates of the batch of 2022, when I spin the gavel, you please turn the tassel from the right to the left side of the motorboat. I hope you can hear this. Ladies and gentlemen, we celebrate the graduating batch of 2022.